How's it everyone? Keenan here from TONNEAU King, and today I want to explain our amazing bin liner. Do you have dust that goes into your bin? Well, look no further. This covers your bin, protects your bin, and it is a dust seal kit that seals your entire tailgate off from dust. This is a strong material, it's polypropylene, it can even take battery acid on it. That's how we can give you a 5-year guarantee. No other dust kit will give you that guarantee and we could be at this price. This is really easy to install, so it's super comfortable. Anyone in the family can do it. And again, I want to tell you, a 5-year guarantee. Don't miss out, get it today. TONNEAU King, our tonneau covers fits in seconds, and now I'm going to show you how easy it is to get this cover from a box on top of your bakkie. And there you have it, it installs and removes within seconds. This also locks with your tailgate, so for a quick fitment, contact us today for a free quote. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to show you today how easy it is to fit our executive bin bag with the 2 tonneau bars. So they come in a storage unit like this. This is the bin bag, you receive it like this, and then your 2 tonneau bars separately from each other in their own separate packages. So you just open all of this up and then we start assembling. So I put both bars on top of the bin bag and all 4 of these buckles on each bar. So they go on each bar, there are 4 of these buckles that go around the pipe, inside the one loop, going through to the other loop, and then we just pull tight, pull it nice and tight so that it sits nicely, and then we just take this little part and just press it into the last part there. All 4 of them work exactly the same, and all 4 at the back also work exactly the same. So your 2 bars are nice and secure now and ready to put on top of your bakkie. So once you've placed the bin bag with the bars exactly where you want it in your bin, you take one bar at a time. As I showed you earlier, the ratchet is on release now. So now I can just pull it tight there, press the same button again, go to the middle and ratchet it in. Now that it's ratcheted in, press that button again, lock it completely, so now that goes nowhere. Move on to your second bar, pick it up. If it's on release, you can just pull it out. Now I press the button again, go to ratchet, I ratchet in tight, and then press the button again and lock it down. As simple as that. Now your bin bag is installed and you can load anything you want in here. Are you a Bakkie owner and you can't leave anything inside of your bin when going shopping? Well, TONNEAU King has the solution for you. TONNEAU King's Supreme Hard Trifold cover is not only lockable, you can pull on this, they can't open it, and they can't cut through this. It's a Supreme Hard Trifold cover. It locks off your tailgate, everything you keep at the back is safe, so when you go on that shopping spree, no, you can leave anything inside here, and they can't just cut your tonneau cover open to take anything out here. So the only way to open this tonneau cover is to unlock your tailgate, open it, and then undo the handles on the inside and fold it open. It's as easy as that. And to close it is super easy. You just fold it back down and do the same thing with the handles. Just clamp it inside to get that cover secured. And now you just close your tailgate and lock it. Now it's completely locked again. Everything is safe inside here. And like we said, they can't cut through it. So for a cover with a 5-year warranty, click the button below so we can get you a quick and easy quote to get you stress-free while shopping. TONNEAU King, helping you with everyday problems. Is dust a problem in your bin? Well, look no further, because TONNEAU King has the perfect solution for you to seal your tailgate completely and make your bin look as neat as your cab on the inside. This is a very strong material, that's why we can give you a 5-year warranty on it. So click the button below and get your bin dustproof today with a quick and easy quote. TONNEAU King, helping you with everyday problems.